Hello there everyone, my name is Squalo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we're going to be talking about some very important technicals because the volatility keeps narrowing and there are many trading opportunities which we're going to discuss. And also, then we're going to move on to some very interesting on-chain data that you really don't want to miss if you're a professional Bitcoin trader. And then we're going to take a look at something that if the history is going to repeat, it's going to be very, very painful. So if all of that sounds great, then hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and guys and girls, go down below, share the video, there's a share button down below, and also hit that like button, all that I'm asking. Thank you very much in advance, and you're my spot-on team, so let's just get to it. And remember that if you want to be joining my free Discord channel where we post all of our smallest trades, because again, the volatility is slowing down, so we can always take, all the smaller trades, which are very difficult for me to create a video on YouTube. So all the bigger trades are going to be here, so subscribe and stay tuned. But if you want all the smaller trades, then go down into the description of this video or into the pinned comment and join my free Discord channel where we discuss all the trades, we show all the trades, and we are making some very good profits. So go join us right now. So in this video, we're going to begin with just the technicals. So we already know that we are in this wedge. Okay, so let's just zoom in. And when we zoom in, we're going to find ourselves in more and more and more narrowing volatility. As here is the new resistance, we just formed it. Then we have this green support that is very important. So we basically are in this wedge right now within this wedge here. So if you, by the way, if you haven't seen my yesterday's video on my technical explanations of how we can take a breakout trade from here and potentially ride it up to this next resistance, this order block at about 22,600, if it's gonna happen. Again, nothing has happened yet. Then go, I'm gonna actually link this video right here. Go watch it before you watch this video. So by the way, guys and girls, a very big important announcement is that at the top of the description of this video, as well as at the top of the pinned comment, there is a link to a website where you can sign up for a call with my team, because I have just challenged myself to create 5 world-class traders through a one-on-one mentorship. So I'm selecting 5 people one-on-one. It's expensive, it's not cheap, but it's the fastest way to learn from me one-on-one. So you get my phone number and I start teaching you one-on-one. So if that's something that you're interested in, for Mr. Spot On to teach you one-on-one exclusive VIP mentorship in the world of trading, and not only trading, also mindset, business, whatever, you become a part of my inner circle. If that's interesting for you, then go down into the description, and at the top of the description of this video, as well as at the top of the pinned comment, there is a link to a website where you can sign up to a call with my success team. You can speak with them and see, if you qualify and whether you're interested in the format, etc. So please go ahead and sign up for the call if you want to become one of my exclusive one-on-one mentees, which is again not cheap, but it's gonna be an epic experience. Okay, so as of right now, what I'm personally waiting for, let's just get technicals out of the way. What I'm thinking is that, if we're gonna be breaking down below here, then we're gonna be going to this support area, and it's an easy short trade all the way down to like 18,500. But yeah, this is just a short-term trade. However, if we're going to be breaking above, I wouldn't really take any trade from here. As I said before in yesterday's video, I would take a trade somewhere from here just because of this big resistance, the white one, because the break of the green resistance is going to be basically right into the white resistance. So that's a bit too dangerous. However, this small scalp trade right into trend would be quite nice. But again, let's take a look at Glassnode, because that's going to be very important. And Glassnode is calling the Bitcoin market currently a coiled spring. So, and I agree, because what we're seeing in the price is pretty ridiculous. So what we want, because again, that's why you guys follow me here and that's why you're subscribed, because I take a bunch of information and I compress it into a 10 or so minute video. So what we are currently interested in right here is some of these charts. So basically what we are interested in is a SOPR. It's a metric which measures an average realized profit and loss multiple for spent coins on any given day. And which chart we are most interested in is this one right here. It's a Bitcoin short-term holder SOPR. And what we're gonna see here, that we are again touching this, basically this neutral zone. And usually when we were squeezing it, and as of right now, we went from above it, from the bull market, right to below it, and we are squeezing it right here. When did we see a similar situation? Right here, a bull market. Then we dropped right below the neutral zone and we started squeezing it until we saw a complete slowdown in volatility and unfortunately a massive breakdown in bullish divergence. So yeah, that's the situation that we saw right here, and which is actually what we are starting to see right here as well. And we're going to get to a very interesting chart in just a second. Then what's also important is short-term hodler SOPR multiples. And here we're going to see also a similar situation with 2018, a nice squeeze, a touch of neutral basically, and then a big crash downwards, a big explosion in volatility, and that's what we're currently waiting for. And look how perfectly we're currently squeezing it right here. So this is starting to remind me of something. And guys and girls, if you remember what this looks like, then you will then you will be a little bit scared right now. And I'm sorry, I'm just giving you the information as it is. And it was very similar to back into 2018 when we had this kind of a squeeze, also very tough narrowing of volatility, and everybody at this time started believing that we are actually finally at the bottom. But it was not the bottom, because price of Bitcoin went from like $5,000 something all the way down to $3,000, and only then the bull run began. So it was the last liquidation, the last flash out of all the weak hands, when people just threw in the towel and said, finish, Bitcoin is a scam, I'm done. So, and the same thing we're seeing as of right now in this very let's go auto, in this very wedge that I've been talking about for so long. This is the same pattern, and this is what, a lot of people are starting to contemplate. Is this the bottom? Which it could be. It depends on so many things, like in macro environment and Biden and the Federal Reserve, etc. Just because Bitcoin is so correlated with other high-risk assets such as the stock market. So therefore, we could see, especially in the current macro environment, another big leg down and finally a breakdown in this volatility. Maybe, as I said before in the previous video, maybe some kind of a fake out, some hopium, some relief rally because of the elections happening in the United States, and they want to pump the markets a little bit, give us some hopium. But then after the elections, final leg down. And again, the question is, are we going to go straight down, or are we going to have this kind of a tradable breakout, like a fake out, and then go down? This is difficult to say. That's why subscribe. I will keep you guys updated, and I'll give you all the scenarios and all the tradable scenarios basically. But yes, what we are currently seeing is very similar to what we saw in 2018. So let me know what you guys think. Remember, here is going to be a course for beginners that I've done, less than 20 minutes, but you'll learn a lot, and you learn some of my tips and tricks on trading as well. And remember, there is a link to my Discord and also a link to one-on-one exclusive mentorship by me, where I'm going to mentor you one-on-one. If you've been looking to get yourself a personal VIP mentor, here is your chance. So schedule a call with my team right now to find out all the details, and hope to see you as one of my one-on-one mentees. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.